Today we study about the body symmetry. Lesson 4, Animal Kingdom, class 11. Let us we go through the body symmetry as well as body plan. These two topics have been discussed today. Now, both of these are very important to describe the characteristic features of the different group of animal. That is about the characteristic feature of different phylum of animal kingdom. So go through these very seriously. Now, first of all, body symmetry. The state of having the two halves that match each other exactly in size and shape is called as symmetry. Means if we divide the body of any organism into two equal halves and both the halves identical to each other, this process is called as symmetry. Now, on the basis of symmetry, animals can divide it into three types. First is the asymmetrical animals. Second is symmetrical. Symmetrical further subdivided into bilateral symmetry and radial symmetry. So let us we go through each by each. First of all, asymmetrical animals. In these animals, body cannot be divided into two equal halves along any plane. Means किसी भी प्लेन से यदि हम बॉडी को कट करें, यहां से करें, यहां से करें, यहां से, किसी भी प्लेन से कट करें, बॉडी कभी भी दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड नहीं हो सकती है. तो दिस इज नोन एज एसिमेट्रिकल. फॉर एग्जांपल अमीबा एंड स्पंजेस. यहां पे आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज द फिगर ऑफ अमीबा एंड दिस इज द स्पंज. स्पॉन्जिला ओनली इन सम स्पंजेस. मैंने कहा सम स्पंजेस जस्ट लाइक द स्पॉन्जिला. यदि हम बॉडी को यहां से डिवाइड करें इस प्लेन से, नॉट डिवाइडेड इनटू टू इक्वल हाफ्स. इस प्लेन से करें, नॉट डिवाइडेड. from this plane, not divided. In the same manner, in the case of spongilla, if we divide the body of spongilla from this plane to two equal halves, that is though no identical halves are there. देखिए इधर अलग body structure है, इधर अलग है. In the same manner नहीं यहाँ से होगा और in the same manner नहीं यहाँ से होगा. तो this is the asymmetrical body symmetry. Now, second is the symmetrical body symmetry. Symmetrical here. The body of animals can be divided into two identical halves. It is of two types. ये भी दो तरह की होती है. First, number one, bilateral symmetrical or bilateral symmetry, where the animal can be divided into two identical halves only along one vertical plane. Means vertical means इस तरह से, है ना? From upper to lower. From one vertical plane. For example, frog, crabs and humans. अब हम देखें, this is the human body. Both of these figures show the bilateral symmetry. This is the human body. If we divide the human body vertically in this manner, तो दो equal halves we have obtained the दो equal halves. अब देखिए, half of the face consisting of one eye, one ear and one nostril of nose and half of the lips. In the same manner, one hand and one legs. On the other hand, this side also, and this side is identical with this side. So this is the bilateral symmetry. In the case of crabs also, these are the pincers and these are the appendages of crabs. This is the central part, body का central part है. So both of can be identical if this vertical divided into two parts. और एक और अच्छा एग्जाम्पल हम देख सकते हैं. This is our hand. Suppose this is our single hand. If we cut our this hand through this plane, यदि हम इस plane से काटते हैं इसे ऐसे, तो we find that इधर ये कट होने के बाद इधर half of the middle finger, this is the forefinger, this is the thumb, ring finger, little finger. But this is not symmetrical. These are not identical parts. If we cut the hand in this plane, यानी कि इस प्लेन में काटेंगे, जैसे कि ये हमारा हाथ है, दिस वन, ये हमारा सिंगल हाथ है. वी हैव कट डाउन द हैंड इन दिस प्लेन. तो वी फाइंड दैट आफ्टर वर्टिकल प्लेन, आफ्टर वर्टिकल सेक्शन, दिस हैंड डिवाइडेड इनटू टू आइडेंटिकल पार्ट्स. बिल्कुल एक दूसरे का आइडेंटिकल. mirror image of each other. So this is bilateral symmetry. फिर समझिए, in bilateral symmetry the body of animal can be divided into two identical and equal plane from only a single vertical plane. यानी कि टू आइडेंटिकल और इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाएगी केवल एक वर्टिकल प्लेन से कट करने पर. नाउ second is the radial symmetry. This is the another part of the symmetrical animals. Radial symmetry. Here animal can be divided into two equal halves along any plane passing through the central axis of the body. यहाँ पर किसी भी पार्ट से, किसी भी प्लेन से हम, लेकिन उसका जो बॉडी का एक्सेस है वो सेंटर में होना चाहिए. किसी पार्ट से कट करने पर जब बॉडी किसी एनिमल की दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाए, दिस इज नोन एज रेडियल सिमेट्री. फॉर एग्जांपल सिलेंट्रेट्स, किनोफोर्स एंड इकाइनोडर्म्स. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ द रेडियल सिमेट्री. एंड सम स्पंजेस आल्सो, such as cyclone, etc. Now here Aurelia, this is the example of Aurelia, jellyfish. See here, if we cut the animal through this plane, so only two identical halves are there. बिल्कुल equal दो identical half में कट जाएगा animal. If we cut the animal from this plane, then also divide into two equal identical half. So this is known as radial symmetry. This is very important one. Symmetry, body symmetry. A short answer type questions, so many types of short answer type questions have been asked from this topic. Now second characteristic feature is the body plan. Now animals show their basic body plan or organization. Three types of the basic body plans of organizations of animals are there. First of all, cell aggregate plan. Go through this very seriously. Cell aggregate plan. Body has a number of cells but not grouped into tissue or organs. For example, in the case of sponges. And second is the blind sac body plan. Body has, in this plan, body has only one opening in their alimentary canal for both, that is mouth and anus. For example, coelentrates and flatworms, यानी कि platyhelminths and coelentrates have the blind sac body plan. Now, just like the coelentrates and flatworms, because they have only the one opening or aperture inside the body from which they perform the function of ingestion, यानी कि taking of the food, and egestion, यानी कि for the excretion. Now, third type of body plan is the tube within tube body plan. Now, here the alimentary canal is a tube-like structure which having a mouth opening for the ingestion and the anus opening for egestion. Means ingestion means taking of the food and egestion means the removal of the undigested food from the body or waste products of the body through the anus. So this body plan is known as tube within tube body plan. For example, Aschelminthes, annelids and chordates. All these animals show tube within tube body plan. All chordates, including human beings. So this is all about the body symmetry and body plan. If you like my video, then you can like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a nice day.